What's up? What's up? This is your boy Rich from Rich to be live. We're live, we're interactive. We're gonna go to the market close. So there's 40 minutes left till market close. We're gonna go to market close. We're gonna be live and interactive until market close here. Just looking at the market right now. And it's a green day, guys. Another green day in paradise. Dow Jones green, S&P 500 green, NASDAQ green, oil green. Oil at 1720. Those are the June futures contracts, up 4.24%. And we're having somewhat of a green day. Not a huge green day, but Dow Jones up 0.77%, S&P 500 up 1.04%, NASDAQ up 1.25%. Not bad for a Friday, for sure. Not bad for a Friday. What's up, Garvit? How you doing, Infinite? Stoner World Order Media. What's up, man? How you doing, guys? Thank you guys for joining. Yo, what you guys think about INO, man? Told you guys. We were talking about it yesterday, right? It's funny. Kind of funny. Kind of funny how that works. We talked about it yesterday, and it screams again today, eh? Isn't that funny how it works, guys? Isn't that funny how it works? We talk about Inovio, and it's up as we speak 20%, 21%. So if you were watching your boy yesterday and you bought some Inovio, you just made yourself a quick 20%. It's true. 20%. Let's go. What about some other picks? Let's talk about some other picks I got for you guys. So I always got some tricks up my sleeve. Always. I got a shout out to Bilal. Bilal's one of our guys that's been with me for a while. What's going on over here, man? This guy for real right now? This guy's just ruining my game, man, right now. This is ruining my flow. This guy's ruining my flow, man. This guy's ruining my flow, man. Listen, when you enter into the room, you must smash. There's a rule. When you enter into the room, you must smash. Everybody must smash. That is the rule. Everybody knows this. This is nothing new. We know this. You know this. Yo, Morris, what's up, Morris? We're just going to make you a moderator right now, Morris. Here we go. Hold on. Morris is being added as a moderator, and thank you for joining the Trading Academy, Morris. Thank you, my friend. I respect you guys, man, so much, man. You guys are the best community in the world, man, right here. You guys, look at this, guys. 3 minutes in, and we got 20 likes. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Jeff says, Rich smashed it after smashing the wife. Hey, Jeff. Good work, brother. Louis says, you buying Tesla at these prices? I don't know, man. 350 was the time to get into Tesla. 100, 180 to 350, that's the time to get into Tesla. I think these prices, I don't know. Do you think we'll come out of the halt soon? I have no idea. Alex says, dude, do you mind explaining the whole oil forcing us to sell thing? Sorry, just never been or heard anything like this before. Being forced to sell at a loss makes no sense. Just research it. Research oil ETN redeemed. Research oil ETN redeemed. Barclays Path decided that they wanted to cash in the ETF. So when they cash in the ETF, whatever the price is by the time they cash it in, which is April 30th, which is next Thursday, we'll have to be forced to convert our shares. Yeah, it's a pretty nice day. It was sunny. Now it's a little bit overcast. But it's a good day in the markets. It's a good day in the markets. So yeah, it's a pretty stupid situation with the oil ETN. I'm not very excited about it. AYTU, is it making a move? Is AY? Yeah, AYTU is up 5%. Always do your due diligence. All these stocks are very risky. There's no guarantee that you're going to make money. You could lose all your money. Okay, so just be very careful. I believe that this is a company right here that has a stop sign, so that makes it extremely risky. But there's also a lot of upside based on what they're doing. And you look at the shares. The average volume is 213,000. All of a sudden, it traded 10.6 million shares and is up 150% at 5 cents today. Something's up. I had to let you guys know. And Bilal told me first. And the next company that I think you guys have to put on your watch list, also from Bilal. Thank you, Bilal, man. You're a beast, bro. I wish you only the greatest success, my friend. Is SMME. Sam, Mary, everything. SMME. UVFT and SMME. UVFT and SMME. And Bilal's like a mad scientist. Oh, AYTU's up 20% right now? Is it making a move? I2 Bioscience. Yeah, you're right. It's at $1.43, up 20%. So this is a big move for AYTU, guys. Good call. Good call on AYTU, up 20% right now. What about CanTrust, guys? Can you guys buy CanTrust? CNTTQ? Can you guys buy this? It's up 56%. It just keeps going up. CNTTQ. Has anybody tried buying this? CanTrust. It just keeps going up, despite the fact they're in bankruptcy. It just keeps going up. Justin, what's up, brother? You're killing it on Costco, eh? Go work, man. MXLH. MXLH. Hey, thank you for the pick, bro. MXLH. I see a mutual fund. I don't know if this is the right one. Can you guys buy CanTrust? I just wonder if people can buy CanTrust because it just keeps going up every day. It's gone up from 2 cents to 36 cents. I don't know if you guys are paying attention to that. And if you actually OTC markets, it says that CanTrust is in the middle of bankruptcy. No, TRST was delisted. They have a new symbol. It's CNTTQ on the pink sheets. I'm just wondering if anybody can actually buy it because it's up like 56% today. So I'm trying to figure out who's trading this right now. CNTTQ. Is there anybody in America buying this? Is there anybody watching this that's buying CanTrust, guys? CNTTQ. Yeah, because it's climbing every day, Justin. CNTTQ. It's climbing every day, and it's gone from like 2 cents after it got delisted, and now it's at 36 cents. So I don't know what is going on, but this thing is literally climbing. It was at like 10 cents at the beginning of the week. CNTTQ. That's the new symbol after the delisting. I'm wondering if anybody knows that. If I'm just wondering if you guys could even buy it, or if we can buy it, because it's going up every day. Yeah, CNTTQ, bro. That's CanTrust. But it says right in, if you guys go to OTC markets, it says right on OTC markets that CanTrust is in bankruptcy. I'm looking at it right now. On OTC market, it says warning, company is in bankruptcy. Ridiculous. So I don't know what the heck is going on here. It's a very intense situation. Very intense situation. You can buy it, Dan, in the US? Is anybody buying it? Because it's going up every day. It's going up every day, guys. CanTrust has been going up every single day. What do I think about gold miner? I think gold right now is very hot. I also think the price for oil right now is the lowest in history. So very bullish on oil, very bullish on gold, very bullish on silver, very bullish on Bitcoin, digital gold. I'm actually bullish on green gold at these prices too. So I think that we're going to see a huge explosion in the market. But I think we'll also see a crash in the market before we see a huge explosion. So we still have to get through this coronavirus. So until we get through it, I think there's a very good chance we're going to see lower lows than what we're seeing right now. So that's why I'm trying to get into as much cash as possible. Afria's running today? Yeah, Afria's definitely cheap, man. There's no doubt about it. Afria's cheap. There's no doubt about it. Afria's cheap. I see Afria up 3%. I mean, I don't consider that running. But SMME is up 95% and UVFT is up 160%. They're literally just going up as we speak. UVFT and SMME. Shout out to Bilal for both picks. I had to share them with you guys. My pick from yesterday was INO. I talked to you guys about INO. They were up 21%. They're now up 17%. I just brought you guys that pick yesterday. So they've gone up 20% after my video yesterday. I mean, that's all I try to do, right, is bring you guys winners, man. I've been doing it for years. I'm going to keep trying to do it. And if I see things that can make you guys money, I'm going to let you know. But I'm just letting you know that those are very risky plays. Very, very risky plays. So I'm not suggesting you go and you buy it. It's not what I'm suggesting. Just letting you know, making you aware of what is happening in the marketplace and where there is opportunity. And when you find a stock that you like and it dips, that's a buying opportunity. Like when it's in the red and you're hunting a stock and it's in the red, it's a buying opportunity. And if you're in the green and it's at all-time highs and you're like, oh my God, I got more money in my account than I've ever dreamed of, that's the signal to sell. That's the time to sell. Justin says, Buddy told me cannabis companies included in COVID Act for banks help as businesses. Yeah, absolutely. Mullen says, like smashed, have to hold back to work. Love the show. I'll watch later. Hey, thank you, Mullen. Appreciate you, brother. Water. Yeah, WTER, man. Good pick. It's been doing really well. Thank you for your picks. You think MYM is primed for a run? As Justin says, what did you think of the Zenabis article yesterday? Debt got extended through senior lender and restructured to March 31st, 2025. Well, I think that's great news. That gives us a lifeline on Zenabis. I still can't understand why they can't do anything with their stock. You know, the stock's at 6.5 cents today. It's just pitiful. So regardless of their articles, the stock itself absolutely is horseshit. So from that perspective, I hate it. I absolutely hate the stock. I wish I never invested in it. Wish I never talked about it. Do I still think they have a chance? Absolutely. But the stock sucks. Did crude oil crash? Well, I think we've seen that oil crash this week, but it's starting to stabilize at $17. So hopefully we're going to see it go higher. What do I think about NAT? I know NAT had a nice run. So, I mean, there's a lot of potential there. James says, hey, Rich, did you see Facebook is going after Zoom? No, but that's huge news. That's huge news. Huge, huge, huge news. Just another example of how the rich get richer. Facebook owns Instagram. Facebook owns WhatsApp. So Facebook owning Zoom, yeah, that would be big. That would be very big. Justin says, all my Zena warrant shares are in a separate account on their own. Don't want to look. I mean, the weird thing about Zenabis is that they're generating a lot of revenue for a company trading at 6 cents. It's a little bit ridiculous, which means they're going to have to do a reverse split. And I don't like reverse splits. So I know where Zenabis is going. I've been there before, and I know they're going to do a reverse. And it's just so disappointing. So it is what it is. It's a disappointing company, but who knows what the future holds. Hopefully they make it good for everybody, but right now it just doesn't look good. Asif says, INO is very risky. Agreed. Now, though, although it seems very tempting. Well, you know, they're being shorted by Andrew Left, right? And he said that he's warned shareholders. Well, I mean, it's getting back up to the prices it was when he started shorting it. He started shorting it around $19. Now it's at 14. I mean, do you want to risk it buying it now? How much upside are you going to get between 19 and 14? Could run back up there. Will it? I don't know. But it definitely has momentum. Infinite Possibility says, Pasha at 4.5 cents, very disappointed. Yeah, it's been just a nightmare. Sherry says, INO has been recommended. INO. Hey, Sherry. But they're also being shorted, Sherry, by Andrew Left. So, notorious short seller. So just be careful. It's being recommended by Kramer. Oh, that's interesting. Kramer versus Andrew Left. That's interesting. Justin says, yeah, but the 5-year contract extension is a huge deal. That makes me very happy. Yeah, it makes me very happy too. I mean, I got 50,000 shares. I'd like for them to go back to $1 so I can get 50 grand and I'd be happy. But it doesn't look very likely when they're at 6.5 cents. Because it shows me that they're just very incompetent. Because they've done nothing to build shareholder value and create shareholder equity. So if they want to really see the stock run, they need to do something for their shareholders. Give everybody convertible preferred shares. Give everybody their money back in convertible preferred shares. If you guys don't know how to do that, reach out to me and I'll help you. Because I'd like to get my $47,000 I've invested in this company back. So if I go and buy another 30 grand worth of stock, I'll be 50 grand deep into Zenabis. Why? What has Zenabis done for me? Absolutely nothing. So all they've done is take the money from myself and my shareholders and from our members in our community. So they've been an absolute nightmare, but the business itself is generating revenue and is growing and is building a good brand. But as far as the stock goes, Zenabis sucks. They're just a huge nightmare. Huge, huge, huge nightmare. Cricket69 says, no dividends on INO, time to sell its high. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are up on INO, take your profits and run. Not to say it can't go higher, but they could definitely go lower too. Sherry says the stock is at 14 here. Sherry, it was at like $5 a month ago. After Andrew Left shorted it. And said that shareholders had been warned. That he felt that the company should be investigated. And then I went live and I said that Andrew Left and I should have a boxing match because I think it's wrong that he wants to box a company that's trying to find a cure to help save lives. That's what I said. And he came on the show, or someone saying he was Andrew Left came on the show. I don't know if it was him, and claiming it was him. And he came on the show and he said that a lot of these companies would be exposed as frauds. And he felt that they would not be able to ever deliver on what they said because they've never, ever had a product ever go to market. And I said that that's a very valid statement. So we'll see. Time will tell. But if they are going to find a cure, I think we have to give them the opportunity to find the cure, because right now we need the cure. More than anything else, the world needs the cure. I'm in isolation, been in quarantine for, seems like forever. I have no idea how many days it's been now. But, you know, the world has changed, right? It'll never be the same. Luke says, buy gold till we get some direction. The problem with gold is that gold is very high. So you're also taking a big risk buying gold. I think if we can get on the next dip, I think buying gold, we got to get it on the next dip. That's where we get gold. Get it on the next dip. Gold stocks, Kinross Gold, Barrick Gold, Nova Gold. Those have been my three. I've been riding those trains, man. Every time they dip, I try to buy them. And then they make these big surges. So I'm just waiting for gold to make another dip. It may not. It might just keep screaming. But I'd like to see another dip if possible. Luke says, I wouldn't touch weed stocks. There's a few weed stocks I would definitely touch. One of the members in the group was talking about Cresco Labs, and I was looking at the chart on Cresco Labs, and very quietly, secretly, Cresco Labs has actually moved up over 100%. Do I like SZLS? SZLS. Never heard of them. SZLS. Stage 0. 12 cents, up 4%. Traded 2.68 million shares in volume. I always look at the 1 year chart, see where it looks at. It's been as low as 2.5 cents, been as high as 20 cents, currently at 12 cents. It's definitely one to put on my watch list. Inovio now at 18% up. AYTU up 21% right now. I was talking to you guys about CanTrust in America up 52%. CNTTQ. Bilal brought us SMME. They are up 95% at 2 cents. He also brought us UVFT, which has a stop sign, so be careful there. Up big too. Very, very big. See if SMME has a stop sign too. It does say that CanTrust holding CNTTQ is a pink current. So CNTTQ up 52%. CanTrust is a pink current. It's just been screaming. Wow, so SMME, Smart Metric from Bilal, traded 2 million shares. It's at just under 2 cents, up 95%, and it's an OTCQB company. SMME. Interesting. Shout out to Bilal, man. You're a scholar, my friend. I like SMME. I'm going to let him right now. I got to let this guy know, man.
Honestly, bro, I'm going to join your academy as soon as I hit my mark of $10,000 profit. So far, I've hit 5.
Oh.
With that 10 Gs, I think I can make a difference. With 5, I'm going to use my 5 Gs to keep learning on my own until I reach 10 Gs.
Bro, I like SMME. I'm live right now on YouTube talking about your 2 picks. UVFT, and SMME. I'm giving you all the glory. Shout out to Bilal, my man Bilal. SMME is a beast. OTCQB stock. I like it, bro. I like that pick. And UVFT, I'm on their website right now, and I like it too, but I don't like the stop sign. So I'd like to understand why they have a stop sign. So maybe we can contact them and get them on our show. SMME and UVFT. I'm going to try to see if we can do that. Shout out to Bilal. Thank you, bro. Mad love, mad respect. And love to have you at the Trading Academy, man, so we can win together and we can grow together, brother. Peace. People giving me picks, guys. This is people just giving me picks. It's like this all day long. People sharing picks with me all day long. Every day, all day, every day. Maddie Bunny says, Rich, I've been watching you a lot on YouTube talking stocks. You're clearly the best. Hey, man, respect, man. Thank you. I want to get better, man. I make mistakes. Still make too many mistakes. I have to get a lot better, but that's why I joined in the Trading Academy. So I feel like I'm getting better, and I still have a lot to learn. I want to just keep getting better and just keep getting better and just keep getting better and learning from my mistakes. You know what I mean? And that's what trading is about. In my opinion, trading is about learning from your mistakes and working as a unit, working as a community to find undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. Okay, let's see.
What's going on, everybody? It looks like Donald Trump has
officially
said they want to get invested.
Okay, guys, go subscribe to B Primo. B space PREEMO. Guys, go subscribe to, this is one of our members, B Primo, Bilal, and tell them that Rich TV Live sent you. Subscribe to him on YouTube, B Primo. He's going to start dropping picks. And I love it. I love guys that drop picks, man. You know, I love people that drop picks. You know, like, that's how we win. So as a community, if everyone drops picks, you know, we can win. That's what this is about. You know, people working together and dropping picks and winning and identifying each other and supporting each other and helping each other. So guys, go subscribe to B Primo. I just subscribed, commented, and liked his video. Go subscribe to B Primo, PREEMO on YouTube. Coach 5-star recruit says can be bought delisted in Canada. You can buy it? Yeah, I mean, I've been looking at it and it's been going up every single day. And I'm like, man, why am I not buying this? I haven't pulled the trigger because I don't even know if I can. It just seems too good to be true. But yeah, CanTrust is going up every single day, guys. CNTTQ has gone up from 2 cents to 35 cents. CNTTQ. That's what we do here, guys. We talk about these stocks that are moving. And look at INO, guys, up 19.87%. INO is screaming. So if Andrew left, Andrew, if you're shorting it, you're getting squeezed, bro. You're getting squeezed, bro. Getting squeezed. And UVFT, I talked about it. Now they're starting to come down. They're up 124%. But they've got a stop sign. Careful. SMME is OTCQB stock, which I really, really like. And CNTTQ, which is CanTrust, is Pink Sheet Current. So that could be one that up 52% that we should definitely be keeping our eye on for sure. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. You guys know that I've been looking at a few miners, junior miners. They've been up today. MEK and Bex were both up today. Right now, they're just back to even again, just bouncing around these zones. But look at the volume. See how the volume is steadily growing? Something's up, guys. I'm telling you right now, something's up. And even Bex. Bex was at 11.5 cents today. Look at the volume. Volume is just a little bit over average. Something's up. Something's going on here. Yeah, bro. I just told everyone to subscribe, man. I got you, brother. Got you. Oh, yeah, by the way, I subscribed too, man. Thanks, man. Keep dropping those fucking fire picks, brother. Respect. It's how we roll, man. It's just working as a unit 24/7. Just winning 24/7. Just winning. No, I don't have Patreon. Just join my trading academy, man. It's the best way you can support me. Join the trading academy. And just email me, and I'll send you guys a link. I'd love to trade with you guys. AJ says, I am up 55% on INO. I'm tripping rich. I sold oil, made profit, and reinvested in space, and I'm in green already. Bro, you're killing it, man. You're killing the game. Good work, bro. Good work, bro. Dylan Fraser says, next week, earnings for Tilt. Run has started. Asif says, do you have any picks in blockchain? Please give your opinion on Hive and MTLO. I like Bitcoin. The only real Bitcoin stocks I like is GBTC. And I like the Ethereum stock, but not as much as GBTC. The only crypto I like is Bitcoin. In the trading academy, I actually get paid in Bitcoin. Actually, today, I believe it's Friday, I get paid in Bitcoin. So I haven't even looked. I've just been looking at the markets today and just kind of looking at everything, looking at the way everything is trading. And the markets have been holding pretty strong today. And I'm just trying to identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. The Dow Jones is up almost 300 basis points. So it's looking like we're going to have a nice, strong green day, and we're finishing a very strong green week. And the last 2 weeks have been green. So this will be like 3 green weeks in a row. You know, a lot of green, guys. A lot of green. Yeah, we had some red days early on in the week, specifically due to oil crashing. But we finished off pretty strong here. Finishing off pretty strong. Considering we're in the middle of a coronavirus pandemic, we're doing pretty good. Spike Man says, Rich Man, thanks for the picks. I'm with the other dude and trying to get profits up to pay for the academy. Just keep helping the Rich TV community so I do get there. Thanks, bro. Hey, man, don't buy everything I talk about. Look at things I talk about, and when you see them dip, that's when you want to think about buying, you know? And then when you see them move up, that's when you think about selling. And just remember that some companies are going to be more risky than others, and invest in the best companies. You give yourself the best chance to win. When you invest in the best is blessed, and you give yourself the best chance to win. But I am talking about a lot of companies that I think that are early stage, and I'm also talking about companies that have momentum. I know VO has momentum right now, right? So when will it stop? I don't know. But, you know, it's a good ride right now. It's definitely a good ride right now. Gold has momentum. When will it stop? I don't know. But right now I've been selling everything, trying to get into cash because I feel like the market's been very strong. And at some point, the market's going to have a correction. And I might be wrong. It might just continue to scream. That's why I am 60% cash, but I'm still 40% in the market. But I'd like to be 100% in the cash right now, just because I don't know. The market is really, really risky right now. And I don't know how it's going to go. And I don't think anybody does. Bashir says, look into Riot blockchain. Sherry says, INO is backed by Bill Gates. Yes, it's true. But you know what, Sherry? Andrew Left is a very powerful man, and he's shorting it. So unless anything has changed, and Andrew Left has changed his stance on Inovio, and I don't know if he has or he hasn't, but I know he's put lawsuits on the company and trying to get them investigated for securities fraud. Now, despite all of that, it's doubled over the last month. So, right, you know, that's why we continue to talk about these companies and we continue to identify them. But I didn't want to push it too hard because he was obviously attacking them. And now quietly and secretly, they've been making their move. So anybody that got in, despite the fact that they were being shorted, which clearly Andrew Left created a buying opportunity for all of us. You know, had we got in at $5, right now it's at 14. But I didn't want to tell anyone too hard to get in at $5 because I was like, man, what if this guy bankrupts this company? Because that's just what he does. So it's scary. That's the problem in these markets. It's really hard to tell. Willie Smith says, love your tips. They've been working out. Thanks. Hey, thank you, Willie. I appreciate you, man. All I want to do is win myself and help you guys win. Right? And that's the beauty of the community is we have so many people that are sharing ideas, sharing picks, sharing opinions, sharing information. So it's allowing us to share information in real time. So we are becoming, I believe, one of the best live, real trading platforms in the world for everything. Gold, oil, silver, Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks. I got my hands in all of it. And I'm going to continue to, and I'm going to win, and I'm going to lose, but I'm going to learn, and we're going to grow. Promise you that. We're going to have wins, and we're going to have losses. But we're going to grow, and we're going to take steps back, but we're going to take some huge leaps forward too. And we already have. I've seen it. I've grown more from my losses than I have from my wins. So now the wins just come, and so do the losses. But you know what? That comes with learning. So, I didn't know that when I bought oil that they could be redeemed. And when I bought the oil ETF, ETN, I didn't know that they could be redeemed and I could be forced to sell my stock. So, it is what it is. Sherry says, Hive just goes back and forth. AJ says, I'm not sure what to do. I'm so much in profit with INO. I want to hold it, but I'm tripping at the same time. You know what, AJ? Take your profits, brother. Take your profits, brother. You can always buy it again on Monday. You're going to go into the weekend holding all those profits. What happens if it goes down? It might go to 19, but it might go to 9. Right now, that money is a sure thing. I always teach my students, man, that money is a sure thing. There's nothing like a sure thing like cash in your account. You could always buy it again on Monday, right? But I don't know. The cash is a sure thing, man. But that's just me. If you want to hold it, I hope you hold it, and I hope it goes to $20, bro. But that cash is a sure thing, man. It's nothing worse than holding something and then it comes down. It's the worst feeling in the world. Infinite Possibility says, don't put your hands in too much, Rich. You know what, Infinite? I think that's great advice, but I also think that that's how I'm growing. I'm learning. I'm learning from these experiences. It makes me learn, right? So just makes me a better trader. Learning from everything that happens, good and bad, makes me a better trader. Baby's looking good. I think baby, you want to try to buy it around under $1 if you can. Don't want to be buying it at these prices. It was just at 47 cents a month ago. If we have another crash in the market, we could see baby go lower. So I like baby too. Obviously, I talked about it first at 30 cents, but when I see something at 30 cents and now I see it at $1, $1.15, $1.20, I just can't buy it at those prices. But that's just me. MC says AJ sells 75 to 85%. Oh, why'd you retract it? I thought that was good advice. I always just take the profit, but I mean, everybody's got their own strategy. Some people take, sell some, keep some. I just sell it and I just move on, look for my next trade. Infinite Possibility says, you think baby will drop to 50 cents? Yeah, I mean, they were at 47 cents last month. Why not? Steven says, so do you often sell off on Fridays when you're in the green? I'm always selling when I'm in the green, whether it's a Friday or Monday. I'm always selling in the green. I'm buying in the red, selling in the green. And when you invest in the best companies and you buy in the red and you sell in the green, you give yourself a very good chance to win. You just find the trend. You watch stocks and you see their trends, and you buy the lows and you sell the highs. Sherry says, sorry, Bill Gates is bigger. Hey, I love the way you think, Sherry. I love the way you think. He is bigger. It's true. He's definitely bigger than Andrew Left. There's no doubt about that. But Bill Gates only invested, what is it? How much did he give? I know. 5 million? I remember I reported on it. I can't remember exactly. Was it 5 million, 10 million? I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Sherry says, take out the money you invested, AJ. That's a good strategy too. Some people take out the money and now you're playing with house's money. Mark says, in at 115 on baby and out at 118. Oh, you're playing with some big money, eh? Dan Ross says, I got my INO average share price down to 770, thinking about selling half of my shares in a minute or two. Yeah, I think that's a smart idea, brother. But you know what? It could go higher, man. I've seen INO go on some huge runs. So I don't want to tell everyone to sell and it goes higher. I don't want to be blamed for that. So, Rich TV Live, we're strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research. Invest in the best. The best is blessed. INO's made a huge run. It's up like 100% in the last month or two here, guys. So you have to think about taking profits at some point. Jay Sire says, you think HOU ETF will drop to 50 cents per share? Anything is possible in this market, brother. Hey, thank you guys for all the likes, man. I appreciate you. Thank you. We're live. We're interactive. We're talking about the week. You guys have any picks you want to talk about? You guys are looking at any picks? Just let me know. Hey, appreciate you, AJ, man. Everyone here just wants to see you win, brother. Take the money and run. Go enjoy your weekend. And next week, we go back to battle, man. We get our shield. We get our sword. We sharpen our sword, and we go back to battle. We just look for our next win, right? One win at a time, one day at a time. You're going to have some losses along the way. That's how you learn. But the key is just to have more wins than losses. As long as we have more wins than losses, we're gonna come out on top. We're gonna come out on top. At the end of the day, we're gonna come out on top. Is the market closed? The market is almost closed, guys. Visa's up. Wow. MasterCard's up. Gold's up. Barrick Gold's up. Kinross Gold's up just slightly. INO is up 20%. CanTrust is up 54%. SMME up 95%. UVFT up 81%. So it's come down since we've talked about it. So it makes me wonder if Andrew left shorting them or someone shorting them, or they're just taking profits. That's why you don't chase green, guys. Don't chase green. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Look for the dips. Buy it when it's in the red. Don't chase the green. It's not a good way to trade. It's not good habits to chase green, guys. Mark says, you're the best, Rich. Hey, thank you, Mark. I appreciate you, brother. Dan Ross says, no blame game, man. And it's hard, guys. The markets are hard. It's not easy. INO's made a crazy run, right? Went from $2 to 19, back down to like $4 or $5 after getting shorted by Andrew left, and now they're back to 14. So it could go back to 19, and then it could come right back down, or it could come back down on Monday. So if you're up and you're up a lot, take the money and run, man. It's a gift from the stock gods. Thank your stock gods for your daily bread. Take your money and run. But who knows? If Kramer's talking about it, might even go higher. You like FCEL? Yeah, FCEL has had some nice runs. Happy Glass says, hey, Rich, you are such a gift. Thank you for what you do. Hey, man, thank you, man. I appreciate you guys. Have a safe weekend, Ed. 4 minutes to close, guys. Let's go. Is there anything you guys are watching in the close? Anything you guys are watching into the close right now? I got my eye on everything. What are you guys watching? Some last minute jockeying. See if there's any last minute moves here in the market. Any last minute buying in the market. Let's see. Nova Gold is now in the green. Last minute, people are buying some gold. Looks like to me. It'd be great if MEK or BEX could get into the green right at the end here, but ITKO, they're all just right at par. They're all at par. Kinross Gold is starting to climb right here on the close here. Kinross Gold climbing to the close. People buying gold here right at the close, guys. Nova Gold climbing on the close. Interesting. Interesting. INO climbing on the close. Very, very bullish on INO. But the RSI is very high, guys. The RSI is at 77. So, I mean, I wouldn't be chasing something like that, but just screaming. Just screaming. Wow, SMME now up 105%, guys. That's Bilal's pick. SMME up 105% OTCQB stock. SMME. It's going into the close. Let's take a look at the security details of SMME. 328 million shares issued outstanding. 116 million in the float. Let me try to see if I can get these guys on our show. Let's see here. Hey, bro, I got a couple companies we need to talk to, man. SMME, they're up 105% today. OTCQB stock at 2 cents. Love to get them on our show. SMME, Sam, Mary, everything. SMME. And then another one that I'm watching that we need to maybe try to get on our show. They're flying. They have a good product. Ventilators for hospitals. They're up 80%. They're at 3.5 cents right now. 3.6. Yeah, 3.5. UVFT. UVFT. Let's try to see if we can get them on our show. Just like that, guys. Just like that. So, yeah, SMME making a big move. Let's just see the close here. Cantra is finishing up 55%. Wow. Visa, MasterCard finishing the green. Nova Gold finishing the green. All our gold stocks, gold, all finished in the green. Kinross Gold finishing the green. Barrick Gold finished in the green. Nova Gold finished in the green. Inovio finished in the green and is still climbing after hours. CanTrust is deep green. UVFT up 76%. SMME up 105%. Some of the ones that we've been talking about just today that I've been watching. Oil just dipped, just finished around 17 bucks. Interesting. Right at 17 bucks. It's a very interesting week for oil, that's for sure. Sherry says, golden rule, take your money and play with the house money. Great advice, Sherry. Barrick Gold's still a buy. I like Barrick Gold, but man, it's really high, guys. So I don't know. I mean, it could go much higher, but I would like to get it on a dip if I could. But yeah, gold's right now screaming. Kinross Gold, Barrick Gold, Nova Gold. I love all three. I've been riding them and buying them on dips, and there just hasn't been a dip over the last little bit. So on the next dip, I'm going to definitely load up on all three for sure. I've been figuring out a little pattern, and they just keep going to higher highs. Then they go to lows, and then they go to higher highs again. So right now they're at higher highs. So I wouldn't be buying them at higher highs, but you're welcome to do whatever you want to do. Drip versus gush. Great way, make cash. Have a nice weekend, Infinite. Hey, Dan, how you doing, brother? Luke says, I wouldn't hold some over the weekend. Yeah, it's always risky when you hold anything over the weekend. You working, Dan? All right, guys. So I just wanted to share some of those picks with you guys. If there's any other picks that I come up with over the weekend, I'll let you know. I'm going to be doing an interview tomorrow at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 Eastern, with a trader that is making a killing trading in our academy. And his name is Omar. So stay tuned to that. That will be a live stream tomorrow. Stay tuned to that. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for your likes. Thank you for bringing me into your homes. Have yourselves a great weekend. Stay safe. Stay at home. Wash your hands. Practice social distancing, okay? And invest in the best, because the best is blessed, and you deserve the best. If there's any new picks that you guys have on your mind, please share them in the comment section of this video. If I like them, I'll do a video on them. I'll do an analysis on them. I'll evaluate them and give you my opinion on them, okay? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. Humbled and very happy about where we are in our lives right now, even in a pandemic. Having one of our best weeks ever for Rich TV Live. More companies, more clients than ever before. Growing in the trading academy faster, and just having members winning. One of our members, Peter, I'll share this real quick, joined our trading academy. And in his first week, he made $1,000 yesterday trading. And today he made $4,000 trading. So he's made $5,000 in his first 2 days trading in the academy. This is why I joined the academy, is to not just have more success as a trader myself, but also to help others. And it's just great to know that there's someone that's been able to join that's already making money. And now we have other members that want to trade with him. I mean, this is phenomenal. So this is what I call evolution. So congratulations to you, Peter, and to everyone within the academy on your success this week. Hopefully we can have a better week next week. And that starts on Sunday when the market opens again on Sunday. We'll be trading. For now, Friday, enjoy it, guys. Relax. Stay away from the computer. Stay away from trading. If you want to do some research, you want to learn, definitely do that. But take a break, right? And then let's go back to it and hit it hard on Sunday. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready. Like I said, if there's any big breaking news, anything going on, I'll come live with it. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. AJ says, Rich, my son loves you. He says to support, he's going to subscribe to your channel. Hey, man, tell your son I love him too, man. I got a boy too, man. I love my son. And I got a girl too. So, blessings. Thank you for our blessings. And always when you win in the markets, guys, thank your stock gods for your daily bread. And enjoy life. My son's 12 years old too. He's turning 13. It's crazy. That's crazy, man. Small world, bro. Small world, man. I got an 11-year-old daughter. So thank you, stock gods, for daily bread. Yes, Nilima Miso had a major day. Teach the youth, man. Teach the youth. Miso had an unbelievable day. And I know that members in our community were talking about it on Telegram, and then it exploded. We might as well, you know what? Since you guys have been here with me on a Friday, I'm going to put some tunes on. So we'll just go out in style. Give a shout out to Scott Norris. Speaking of my son, he's calling. Look at that. That's so funny. Speaking of my son, he calls just like that. Lost my train of thought. Okay. Why is that happening? Why is that happening? This is called It's All Right. Have yourselves a great weekend, guys.
As the wind blows in my eyes and the air is hard to breathe, I can see you with sunshine as your heart beats for me. Oh yeah, as the sun shines on my face and the mood that takes control, all my innocence is lost as I'm losing self-control. But it's alright, alright, when I'm with you. It's alright, alright, 'cause my heart beats for you. When I see my own life and I'm old and gray, but I still get up myself just to face another day. It's alright. I was born with innocence and sinless purity. As we grow, we find ourselves in who we're meant to be. But it's alright, alright, when the sun shines on my face. It's alright, alright, with you this time and place. When I see my own life and I'm old and gray, but I still get up myself just to face another day. And then I'm still with you, and the mood still takes control. I can feel the veins in my neck and the fire down below. It's alright when I'm with you. Lights go down low, and you whisper in my ears. I'm only the lullaby, which brings me back to this fear. It's alright, alright, when I'm with you. It's alright, alright, 'cause my heart beats for you. When I see my own life and I'm old and gray, but I still get up myself just to face another day. And then I'm still with you, and the mood still takes control. I can feel the veins in my neck and the fire down below. It's alright when I'm with you. It's alright, alright, 'cause my heart beats for you, for you.
Hey guys. Pretty cool, right? Good song, right? You can listen to it all day.
As the wind blows in,
You love
my
Bilal?
eyes, and the air is hard to breathe.
Alright, Sherry. We love you too, Sherry.
I
Thank
can
you
see
guys.
you with
Have a great
sunshine
weekend. I'm out.
as your heart beats for me.